Hello Salmalu, welcome back to the channel. It is a Sunday and it's 9:30 a.m. We are going out for some food shopping. It will be a safe shopping due to this pandemic and let's see how our shopping is gonna go, and I will show how is the situation around, how many people are shopping, how is the crowd, is there any possibilities of lockdown here. We never know, so let's grab some foodstuffs. Let's keep in stock. Thank you. Sorry? Each, eh? Thank you. done for today. So we are back home after the shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed our shopping. So there is nothing much we did today, but since things are not okay, our all the trips has been cancelled. So we are home. I hope you guys like this. If you did, please hit that like button, and that's how you guys support us. And if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Keep sharing, do support. We will catch you on the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Permeda tuluvana mukkeda sulmelu. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಬರೆದ ಕಥೆಯು ನನಗಾಗಿ